Homemade creamed corn is so good. Forget about the canned stuff and make up this homemade creamed corn in under 30 minutes. For holidays, barbecues, or any occasion, it is a simple side that everyone recognizes and loves. Let me show you how to make my homemade creamed corn today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. And the best part is, this recipe only takes a few steps and a handful of ingredients, and you're on your way to being crowned the best creamed corn maker, if that's such a thing. To start, let's talk corn. There's fresh corn on the cob, and then there's canned corn and canned cream of corn. Yuck. And then there's frozen corn. I recommend using fresh corn as your first option, but frozen is so convenient and yields a delicious end product, as long as it's not the corn that's been sitting in the back of the freezer for years. But I don't recommend using canned corn. It's already been cooked and it's diluted and lacks flavor. If using fresh, here's a great tip. Take 2 bowls, a large bowl and a smaller bowl. Take the smaller bowl and place it into the larger bowl upside down. Take your corn, and if it's got that handle, break that off and place that on top of the smaller bowl. Using a sharp knife, work your way from the top of the corn cob all the way down to the bottom. And rotate around the corn until all the corn is cut off. I love doing this 2-bowl trick because now my kitchen's not a mess and the corn is all contained. Now that we've got our corn, we're gonna head over to the stove. In a large saucepan over medium-high heat, melt 2 tablespoons of salted butter and sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour. Cook the flour until it turns a more golden color, which will take about 1 to 2 minutes. The flour is a thickening agent, but if you need an alternative, cornstarch works great. I personally love the flavor of the brown butter and flour. Once it's browned, you're gonna add in 1 cup of milk. Turn the heat to medium-low and stir the sauce until it is smooth and well combined for about another minute. Now we're gonna add in 20 ounces of corn, which is just about 3 cups. 1 cup of heavy cream that gives this creamed corn so much delicious richness. Go ahead and give that a stir as you add in the ingredients. Back to adding in 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, which is finely grated. And I just adore this addition to this recipe. It adds so much flavor and it works as a thickening agent as well. Next, we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir this together and simmer over medium heat for an additional 8 to 10 minutes as the sauce thickens and really coats the corn beautifully. You can transfer this to a serving dish or not. Either way, serve it hot and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.